Coal slime has large viscosity and certain fluidity, which makes it difficult to stack, store, and transport coal slime. The coal slime ball pressing machine directly produces the raw materials after crushing, without adding water, and can complete the pressing work of coal slime, pulverized coal, iron powder, coated coal, iron filings, oxidized iron sheet, and other powder materials. Its purpose is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transportation characteristics, etc. Next, introduce the structural composition of the slime ball press. 1. Coal slime ball press feeding part, mainly to achieve quantitative feeding to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2. The main transmission system, motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear, roll. 3. Coal slime ball press forming part, mainly refers to the main part of the ball press. The core part is the roll.